Hi, my name is Emily, and this is for the lava lamp presentation. So the first thing that I did for this was read what the procedure was, which was pretty simple. It was just mixing together water, oil, and Alka-Seltzer to make basically a homemade lava lamp. So the first thing that I did was I got the supplies out, which all I needed was a water bottle, oil, and then Alka-Seltzer. The next thing that I did was I went ahead and I got the Alka-Seltzer tablets out and went ahead and broke that in half. After I did that, I opened the water bottle and then I dumped out down to about a quarter of the water in the bottle being left. And then I went through and I opened up the oil and I poured the oil down so that it was filled the bottle up about the rest of the way. And then after that, I went ahead and I dropped the Alka-Seltzer in there, and this is a picture of what it looked like. And the actual reaction, this is what it did. So for the analysis of why the reaction occurred how it did, obviously water is more dense than oil, and so the oil floats on top. It doesn't mix together. And the water, it releases hydrogen ions that then reacts with the base that's in the Alka-Seltzer, which is the sodium bicarbonate. The reaction between the two, it then forms a carbon dioxide gas, and the bubbles that are released from this gas then attach to like the blobs of the water and stuff, and then it causes it to like bubble and float to the surface.